Well, as you can see, we have prepared a sliced sparrow for 35,000 tomans, which I hope AI can convert to dollars for you while dubbing my voice. And we want to do something very simple. We just want to carve it and add as much detail as we can. Our starting point is very geometric. I'll put a picture on the screen for you to show how I chose my model. This design that appeared on the screen shows that the first thing we need to do is find the center of our sparrow, the center point from start to finish in the points of the sparrow's beak, the connection point of its beak with its head, the connection point of its head with its neck, the connection point of the body with the tail, and the end of the tail. We find the center of these points. Now, I do it by eye, but it's better to measure it in centimeters and find it precisely. We mark the line at the point where the tip connects to the head and connect the tip to the head in a V shape. See, I'm doing it completely by eye, but you can use the picture I provided or search on Pinterest to find another design. This is the base of my sparrow. See? We don't attach the wall of our sparrow's head to the wooden wall we have because we want the diameter of our sparrow's head not to be the same as the body. It's smaller than the body. So we make the head smaller up to the neck connection. We connect this. We also attach the body from this point to the head completely to our walls. We bring it to the point where the tail and body connect and gather it, but our wing starts from here. You will understand all of this in practice. You will completely understand why I draw these lines. Okay, let's go. We just need to remove the parts we've marked to reduce the volume. Then, when we reach the lines we've marked, we start curving. The game is very simple, friends. All designs have formulas, and I will show and demonstrate this formula in different designs in each video as much as I can. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video.
Thank you. Let's go.
Guys, this angle I'm doing from outside to inside is not correct at all. In this part, on the edge from outside to inside, a lot of engagement happens, especially with drills that remove such a volume. The distance between the teeth are very numerous and deep. It's really necessary to have control if you want to cut from outside to inside. I absolutely do not recommend this angle at all unless you are really sure you can control it well and prevent the drill from slipping towards your finger. This still happens to me, and I really don't recommend doing this. But if you can do this, much more material removal happens, but I do not recommend it. I do not recommend it.
Well, it's not hidden from God, so why hide it from you?
I don't know how AI is going to translate Persian proverbs for you, but when I work, I don't at all. I forget that I need to film. I've done these parts. Now we'll do the separation of the wing and body together. But I promise to show you here how we did the volume extraction to get to this point. It was a bit busy and hectic. I got caught up and completely forgot. This part of the wing and tail will also be separated together. We'll address it. It's supposed to be a capacity that is very...
This should become beautiful. I mean, that 35,000 tomans, the $50 we paid for this, its value should go much higher.
I got distracted again and just did this side. Of course, I needed the picture too. I was looking at the image and doing it. Now we have a pattern for this side, and whatever we did on this side, we'll do on the other side too. We're still using the same drill bit and I haven't changed it yet. I'll keep going with this for now, it's okay.
We almost didn't touch the train. We did a little bit of Telenor on this side. Our drill was spinning.
It was annoying. I don't want to do the same thing on this side again. I want to change the bit. But before we get back to the details of this wing, well, it has a lot of detail work. We want to first clean the surface as much as we can with a bit that has sandpaper attached to it.
After that, now we choose our drill bit and focus on the details of the work.
It's sandpaper. We will do another round of cleaning, then we will move on to the details.
Ending with our wood is wood. It is Russian, and because of the veins it has, the strength in points, its variations are not the same. For this reason, we find it very difficult to focus on the details.
That's why, but still, we managed it well. I mean, it's not like that.
not accepted. Okay, now we can do a walnut color. Apply it, then wait a bit and apply the final coat. We can say our work is almost done. If you've enjoyed the work so far or even learned a tiny little bit, push some konende var med 20 alla